everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series of operating system. I am Palaksha from LG Polytechnic. In previous video, I have discussed about the single level directory structure, two level directory structure and the three level directory structure. Now, we will learn the remaining types of the directory structure. So, we will learn acyclic graph directory structure and the general graph directory structure, or we can say the cyclic graph directory structure. So, we will learn acyclic graph directory. It permits the user to create the shared files and the directories. An acyclic graph is a graph with no cycle and allows to share the subdirectories and the files. The same file or subdirectories may be a two or different directories. It is a natural generalization of the tree structure directory. Shared the files and directory can be created using the link operation. This operation allows a file or a directory to appear in a more than one directory. Directories can contain the file as well as the subdirectories also. A file may contain more than one file path. It is used in the situation like when two programs are working on a joint project and they need to access the files. The associated files are stored in the subdirectories. Separate them from the other projects and the file of other projects since they are working on joint project. So they want to the subdirectories into their own directories. The common subdirectories should be shared. So here we use acyclic directories. It is the point to the note that the shared file is not the same as the copy file. If any programmer makes some changes in the subdirectory, it will be a reflect in the both subdirectories. Shown in the diagram, the file name is the count is the shared from the two different locations of the directory and the span. Now, we will see the advantages of the acyclic graph directory. We can share the files. Searching is easy due to the different paths. Now, see the disadvantages of the acyclic graph directory. We share the files via linking. In case of deleting, it may create the problem. If the link is the soft link, then after deleting the file, we left with the dangling pointer. In case of the hard link, to delete a file, we have deleted all the references associated file with it. Now, we will see the last type of the directory structure, that is the general graph directory structure, as well as we can say the cyclic graph directory structure. In general graph directory structure, cycles are allowed within the directory structure where multiple directories can be derived from the more than one parent directory. The main problem with this kind of the directory structure is to calculate the total file or a size or a space that have been taken by the files and the directories. Shown in the diagram, the represented using the squares while files are the represented using the circles. Now, see the advantages of the cyclic or a graph or a general graph directory structure. It allows the cycles. It is the more flexible than the other directory structure. Now, see the disadvantages of the general graph directory. It is the more costly than the others. It needs the garbage collection. Now, we will see the important questions of the directory structure. What is directory? Why we use directory structure? Which are the types of the directory structure? What is the acyclic directory structure? What are the advantages and the disadvantages of cyclic directory structure? What is the general graph directory? You have any kind of doubts or query, you can mention in below comment section. So, it was all about the directory structure style. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for the more notification of this tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video.